In this video, I will show you how to quickly change your website's colors, fonts, and button styles in Elementor using global settings. Instead of editing each section one by one, this method lets you update everything from one place. First, open your page in Elementor. Then go to the top left corner and click on the Elementor icon. From there, click on Site Settings. This is where you will find all the global options for your website. Let's start with Global Colors. Click on Global Colors, and here you'll see the default colors used across your site. To change them, simply click on a color. Then paste your own hex code to match your brand. Once you update these, the changes will automatically apply across your entire website. Next, go back and open Global Fonts. Here you can control the fonts used throughout your site. Click on Primary and choose your preferred font, for example Poppins. You can also adjust font, weight, and size if needed. Then repeat the same for secondary text and accent fonts so everything stays consistent. After that, click on Save Changes to apply your updates. Now your website will have consistent colors, fonts, and button styles everywhere without needing to edit each section manually. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel